Hello everybody. In this video I'm going to be replacing my door hinge to my Duet whirlpool dryer. Pretty simple process. Follow me through it and maybe you'll have to do one of yours to save you some money. Okay, inside the frame with the door open you've got 5 screws. Mine broke right here at the pivot hinge, so I had to get a replacement. Okay, and there's the 5 screws right there that separates it from the frame and the door. And it has 2 hooks on the back side. You ain't got to worry about the door falling off. Just take those screws out and then lift it straight up off the hooks. I'm going to get that taken off and we'll go to the next process. Okay, I've got it laying on. Now I need to separate the front from the back of the door to get access to the inside of the hinge. Now it has small screws and big screws. Remove the small screws only. I think there's like 5 of them. Okay, we're going to get those removed. And then the hinge itself has 4 screws. 2 on the top. And then when I separate it, there'll be 2 hidden on the inside. There's the 2 that's hidden right there. Let me get this front out of the way. Okay, now I got to take these 2 screws out. Like I said, there's 4 for the hinge. And it has little line-up pins coming through the top side of this back piece. That helps you line everything up. There's my new hinge. Let's see how she fits. Let me put them line-up pins in the holes. One on top, one on bottom. I'm just going to kind of squeeze it together and get the screw started. Okay, let's tighten this thing down. We'll put our other 2 screws in the side. And then we will reattach the front to the back of the door. Very easy, quick process. I have no idea what a repairman would cost for this, but my hinge cost a total of $67. I'm just kind of moving it around, lining the screw holes up. And I'm using a hand screwdriver. You could use a drill, but I like to use a hand screwdriver on stuff like this. Just making sure all my holes line up. And she is ready to go back on the dryer. There's the 2 hooks. And here's the holes they go in. See the long slotted holes? Those little hooks just go in and slide straight down and holds the door up. Takes a little maneuvering to get them in there, but they pop right in. There it is. Now the door's holding itself up. I'll put these 5 screws in and we'll see how she does. Oh, shuts perfect. Look at that. Dryer works. Thank you for watching.